Good afternoon, everybody. Scott from AJ Aircraft, and today I'm going to show you all the new features of the Laser Z200. This is just an absolute beautiful plane. So I want to take the time to show you and explain to you some of the features that you'll see in this new airplane when you get it. First and foremost, our canopy, brand new material, high temperature material, so you won't see any warping or sagging in your canopies going forward. Also, fully finished cockpit and a fully foam lined canopy. So also we have a little cutout here that helps you hold the canopy so you don't damage the foam. And yes, you can put a pilot in here just by removing this back and then reinserting it. But best of all, it's quick release. So you'll see these little tabs right here are part of the quick release system. And here, once you guys see these quick releases, you'll just be amazed at the quality of machining. These are just absolutely fantastic. So you can see here there's a little sliding knob. All you do is push that knob, the canopy locks in, and then it can't move. All you have to do is pull this out and put it back, push it back. So here we'll just install this, and then you can hear it snap in and lock in. Now the canopy is nice and secure. It also is equipped with 2 magnets to help for any vibration. But to take it off, you just pull this out, push it back, and the canopy just pops right off. Also, another new feature is you'll see in our cowls and our canopy, both the canopy covers the F1 former and the cowl now butts up against the F1 former. So there's no recessed cowl ring in our cowls for there to be any mistakes there. Also, this airplane is completely, and I'll show you that in a little bit, this plane is completely carbon Kevlar. All the formers all the way back. All the stringers on the bottom of the airplane are carbon fiber lined. Also, it comes equipped with a Mpx Plugs, and we do provide you with Mpx Plugs on our website for sale. But it comes with a pre-cut slot for your Mpx Plugs. Also, a nice feature is our extension tube that goes from the front to the back is right in the middle versus on the side of the airplane. So this allows better use of your extensions. And on both sides, the front and the rear, you'll see a pre-installed grommet. So you won't even have to worry about installing grommets or anything. Your wires will come right up out of there and plug right into the receiver. So that's one great feature. Another fantastic feature about this plane, just like our Raven, that we offer 2 style wings for the same plane, so a straight leading edge wing or a double taper wing. We also offer, this plane comes in 2 rear stab locations. So you'll see here the first stab location, and still covered by covering is the rear stab location. This rear stab location is for if you want just a little bit more precise flying, or and the front location is for a little bit more 3D, better tumbling, better low and slow performance. Now, yes, they're just bolt-in stabs, and keep in mind that when you cut out the second hole, the stab covers both holes as you slide it back and forth. So that's a super nice feature. So let me show you the cowl. Here's the cowl. This is that cowl ring that I told you about that is not recessed, so it's right flush. So this sits right flush against the F1 former, and you'll see on the fuselage that there's 2 little clips that hold the cowl, and then 2 bolts and 1 bolt on the bottom. So that makes for a really super nice fit on the cowl to the fuselage. Makes real nice seams as well. Here's the front view of the cowl. Very nice. We do offer on the website baffles for this as well. And you'll see that this also has a low pressure lip already pre-molded into the cowl. So all you have to do is cut this out. You also have your low pressure lip pre-installed. So cowl's very nice, very nicely painted, very well done. Here you see the rudder, very nice size rudder. For this airplane, you won't lose any performance with this rudder. Also, the rudder slides in from the bottom, unlike some of our other models where it slid in from the top. So you should be a little more hidden, and you don't see that slot in the top of the rudder with the pin in there. So very nice job on the rudder. Also, another great feature is the quick release wings. And here you'll see the wing. Quick release wings are really nice. They seem to be the going fad. Here's the bottom of the wing. Very nice contrast to the top of the wing. So I love the way the bottom of the wing looks. But when it comes to the quick release, you'll see also carbon Kevlar butt to the wings and the stabs. And then you'll see here for the quick release, you'll see that the quick release works through the anti-rotation pins. And these anti-rotation pins, don't get me wrong, they're extremely long. You don't have to worry about any of that. Also, there's a pre-installed grommet. Now the quick release for the wings, I will show you that in a minute as well. I'll show you an up-close view of the quick release for the wings. So another great feature on all our planes is the stabs. The stabs are all pre-hinged and glued. Carbon Kevlar root to the stabs. Extra large hole for getting your large throws. Also, these control horn slots are very clean. We paid a lot of attention to making sure that your control horns just slide right in there to make the build super easy. Now, going back to the inside of the airplane where your wing locks are, your wing locks are very similar to this, and I'll give you an inside view of those wing locks as well as we go on at the video. But same thing as your wing just slides on, slides through these holes where your anti-rotation pins normally would be, and then there's a pin that just locks down through there. So another great feature, it is supplied, a one wing bolt is supplied. That's just for safety. Also, the bottom of the airplane is all the black charcoal carbon fiber landing gear like most planes you're used to seeing. A couple other items that are standard with all of our kits, of course, wheel pants, wheel cuffs. These wheel cuffs fit really nice against the fuselage. There's also a landing gear bolt cover that matches the color of the airplane, and then this is the tunnel, your pipe tunnel cover. And your pipe tunnel cover, obviously, when this is on the bottom of the plane, if you can envision it, it just matches the color of the landing gear block. So a couple other nice things, obviously just wood to block off the pipe tunnel if you don't want to use it. It does come with multiple pipe mounting options depending on what kind of pipes you want to use. The wings are supplied with SFGs. So just going over the SFGs, they're slotted, and the wing uses we supply you with 3mm wing bolts on the wing, and that makes it super easy to put your SFGs on. You know, just simply you can leave your 3mm bolts right in the wing and just simply putting these on, pulling them back and tightening that up. So it makes putting on SFGs super easy. We all know SFGs, we lose the bolts, we put them in our pockets, we lose them. This is nice and easy installation for your SFGs. All the standard hardware packs, comes with this plane. We did improve our hardware. We improved, the 440 bolt length. We improved the engine mounting hardware. So all the standoffs and everything are included, as well as the rubber grommets for any pipe that you want to use. Now, there is a full-length pipe tunnel in here. It goes from about here to here, and I'll give you an inside view of that in just a moment. So, other than that, this is the Laser Z200, a great flying airplane, a great addition to our lineup of airplanes. And just to let you know, there's a lot more to come from AJ Aircraft. You'll see more and more innovation. You'll see more and more extremely well-flying planes. Well, all our planes fly really good, but you'll see a lot of nice features coming forward. on all our planes. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure that you check out our website and stay locked in to what's next from AJ Aircraft.